Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to import SMS and WhatsApp contacts in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To do that, go to the Contact session. Then, click on Import. Right here, you need to select the file you want to import. Select a CSV file that is in this format. Click here to set the source. Select Phone if you are importing SMS contact, and select WhatsApp phone number if you are importing WhatsApp contacts. Add a country code of the contacts and map the information right here properly. Down here, you can perform additional actions like tag the contacts or set custom field. Once done, click on Continue and your contacts will be imported. There you go. You just learned how to import SMS and WhatsApp contacts. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.